Okay. So today we start from the loop concept. Okay. So I know everyone is already familiar with the word loop because we all know what is loop. Basically, loop is meaning the one thing we're doing that thing for repetitive time. That's called loop. Okay. Already we have seen lots of movies on this concept, looping concept, time loop. Okay, this is the concept. Okay. So the same thing the Python has already supported in Python. Okay. So what is loop in Python? Nothing but in Python, if we don't want to write same thing, same statement for multiple times, that is too much time consuming, too much lengthy to write. So that's why the loop concept come. In this technique, we write one single statement and do the multiple thing. Okay, this is called the loop concept. Okay, so this is the thing that we can write the one line for multiple time. Okay, or one operation for multiple time. There's the loop concept come. Okay, so there are two kind of loop in there in Python. One is while loop and another is the for loop. Okay, so two kinds of loop are there. So what is while loop? While loop based on some condition. Okay, in the previous session we already learned about the if else statement. Okay, just like same thing, based on some condition there will be some output, or there will be some statement, or there will be some operation. So that there is in while loop there also one condition, but when the condition is true, the again the process will be repetitive. Okay, so if the condition is true, at first see the image, there is the image, the while loop image. Okay, when the condition is true, then the Python go to the in the test condition, and then in the body of the while loop do some operation, and again it is true, go to the again check the condition. Okay, if again true, again go to the body of the while loop, and again true, it will be repetitive. When the condition is false, then the loop will be terminated and the program will be end. Okay, or will be some output will be there with the false statement. Okay, so this is the while loop. Okay, this is the syntax you can see here. We will go to the example in the Jupyter notebook. Okay, don't worry. Okay, at first going through the theory part. Okay, so what is the statement? At first there is some statement, and then the condition arises, while condition. If the condition true, then go to the statement block. If false, then out of the statement while. Okay, this is the whole syntax about the while loop. Okay, I think everyone clear or in doubt? Hello, Ayush, any doubt?
Clear. No, sir. No, sir. Clear, sir.
All clear? Okay, okay, okay.
Yes.
Now, what is the next is for loop. Okay, what is a for loop? Here, we don't use some condition. Here we use some sequences. Okay, there will be lots of sequences by we can use by the list, by string, by tuple, or also one is the most special thing. This is range function. Okay, so this kind of sequence we use here, and there will be some elements, some numbers. Okay, when the last element reached, then the loop will be terminated. Otherwise, the loop will be continuing. Okay, let's suppose there will be 5 elements. For each element, the loop will be continuing. Okay, when the last element reached, then the loop is break and out of the loop. Okay, this is the for loop. Okay, so this is the main thing, main difference between the while loop and for loop. In while loop, there was some simple condition. Based on some that condition, the loop will be going on. And for loop, there will be some element, the sequence of element, okay, or sequence of number. Based on the number, when the in number the loop reached, then the loop terminate and show the output or show the result. Okay, so there is some syntax, simple syntax for loop in sequence statement block. Okay, there nothing on there. Okay, now go to the Jupyter notebook. Okay, right. Okay, so at first we go for the while loop. Okay. Okay, over the while loop. Okay, let's suppose we have to print 10 number. Okay, so in simple way I can write this way: print 10 number, like 1 to 10. Okay, 10 number I can write print 1, again sorry again enter, print 2. Okay, okay, control V. So this way we can print, but this will take lots of time and lots of space, lots of typing. So what we can do, we use loop. How? Okay, so leave that thing. Okay, so what I do, at first I take one variable. Okay, suppose I is equal to 0. This is the initializing part. Okay, then I put some condition, while loop, then put the condition while I less than 10, that time the loop will be continue. This is the condition. When the I reach the value of 10, then loop will be terminated. Okay, if the i's value is less than 10, the loop will continue. Okay, this is the while statement. I enter, I can write print print I. Okay, we done up to this. Now what happens if I run this code, because it will be not completed. Okay, what? Because I have to increment the I part, because I have to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this way, so I is equal to 0, and at first I less than 10. Yes, 0 less than 10. Okay, print 0, completed, but not. I have to print up to 10. So next I have to do some operation part. So I is equal to I plus 1, the increment part. Okay, so now run this code. See what happened? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, up to 9. Okay, if I want to print that 10, you have to equal to put is equal to sign. Again, our 10 will be printed. Okay, this is the simple way. With small code we can do big program. Okay, so we don't need to write every time print 1, print 2, print 3, print 4. Okay, that's right. Okay, I think everyone clear this thing. This is just simple thing, I know. Okay, any doubt? Ayush, Durgam, Jivita, Shravan, Susmita.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay,
No, sir.
okay. Now what I do, I want to print that number. I want to sum that number. Okay, what is summation of first 10 number? Okay, this is our next program. Okay, okay. If I write something here, okay. Okay, and next one is summation. Okay, this is our next program. Okay, I have to add all this number. Okay, okay, I have to do same thing here, just like same plus to extra one thing I have to do here. Okay, can anyone tell me what I have to add here? Anyone? Just try. This code we have to print all that thing, but I just need the summation part. Okay, another part. Anyone?
Initialize, sir, firstly you should initialize k is equals to 0.
Okay, we have to initialize some variable s is equal to 0. This is for the
0.
okay. Next.
And in while statement, print next to print I, we can use s is equals to s plus I, sir.
Yes.
No,
Yes.
sir. S is equals to s plus S.
Sorry.
S, sir. S, sir. S is equals to s plus S.
Yes, s is equal to s plus I. Okay.
Coming out from while loop, print s.
Yes, not in the while loop, out from the while loop, print s.
Yes, sir.
Because if I print s between here, every time with the I, s will print. Okay, 0, then 0, 0, 1, 1. That's it. Okay. So now I have this code. Okay, there is the summation. Okay, if I write that in better way, the summation sum the sum of first okay numbers. Yes. Okay, see, this is our summation part. Okay, we can do anything. I just omitted part because it will be better for us. Okay. Okay, I also want some other thing or the average of first 10 number. Okay, so what can I do? First 10 number. Okay, average of first 10 numbers. Now tell anyone. Now what I do?
Same code, sir, but in the place of s by 10, sir, in the last statement.
Okay.
Yes.
I also print the summation part and another thing print or I have to store something value here. AVJ sorry, AVJ is equal to S
S divided by I.
not I.
Sir, I minus
Yes,
1, sir.
sorry.
I minus 1, I think, sir.
Okay, see what happened. Okay, just I put the print. What happened? Why? What happened for the I and what happened for the I minus 1? Yes, see. No, it will be I. Okay, because I take here I is equal to 10. Na? So that's why. Okay, what happened? I minus 1 and plus 11. Yes, it I minus 1. Yes, right. Okay, I is equal to 11 here. I minus 1. Yes, good. 5.5 because the sum is the 55 and divided by the 10, so it will be 5.5. Okay, so you can write here. Okay, this is our answer. Okay, so who says the average is minus I? I think 7. Okay, understood why not I is there? I minus 1 because see, when the last time the I will check, at first I is 9 up to 9, understood. When I is 10, checking 10 is equal less than is equal to 10. Yes, it is true. Then in the while statement going, and then the summation part will be happen. Then again 10 is I is 10 plus 1. Whatever 11. Then checking. No, it is false. Then out from the while loop. So what is the I value that time? This is 11. So I have to print here I minus 1 because 11 minus 1 is 10. So I have to end the 10 number. So that's why I create I minus 1. Okay. Understood? Everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now I have doing next query, that is reverse of a number. Okay. Okay. Never. Okay. So what I do? I have to take one number. Let's suppose. Okay, wait one second. Okay, let's suppose I have one number 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So I have to reverse that number. That will be 3, 2, and 1. Okay. This is our output. This is the input. This is the output. So I have to do that. So how we will do? So see. So at first I have to take the number. Okay. So the number num is equal to int the user input enter the number. Okay. Next we have to tell anyone. Tell me now what I do. Anyone? Hello.
Sir,
Just try.
take any sir take any initialize variable equals to 0.
Why?
For using formula, sir, remainder into 0 plus
Not
that
need.
is it.
Now in the initialization part, will be doing
Yes.
the looping inside the loop statement. You can do that thing. Okay.
Okay.
Or you can create also. No issue. Okay. Yes, you have to reverse. So I have to create one number. Rev is equal to 0. Okay. To print that thing. Okay. So now I go to the looping part. So while so what I do at first, the number suppose 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So what I will reverse the thing. So at first I get the this part. I have to get this part. So how I can get this part? Which operation? The module operation. Okay. If I divide this thing by the 10. Okay. So I get this with the modulo. Sorry, modulo with the get the remainder part 3. Okay. So I stored that thing in the reverse part. Okay. Next, what I do? Next again, I cut this 1, 2, 3 into small part by the normal division. Okay, where I get the quotient part 12, and then this is the new name. Okay, and go through this way. Okay, this is our main target. Okay, and the reverse part, how I store that thing? Reverse the number just have in the reverse by initial value into 10 plus the digit part. Okay, so now do that thing. While so I have to check up to the while num not is equal to 0. When num is equal to 0, then the statement will be closed. The condition is false. Close the while loop. So next, num is equal to not num to digit. Okay, so I have to get on digit. Digit is equal to num percentage 10. Okay, I got a digit part, but this is the 3. Next, rev is equal to ref star, sorry, star 10 plus digit. Okay, done. Then again I have to do num is equal to, I cut that num the last part and remain the last two digit, first two digit. What is the num 10? Okay, this is our loop. Exit from loop, print ref, because this is the previous part where I stored that thing. Okay, so run this code, enter a number. I run at first 1 2 3. Okay, enter. See, here's the 3 to 1. Okay, let's understood this code. Okay, let's suppose the number is 1 2 and 3. Okay, so at first it will check the number. The number is less than not equal to 0. Yes, it is true. Then go to the while loop part. So at first the digit variable where the stored the this operation. Okay, so what is the num divided by 10? The modular function. What is the output? This is the 3. At first output is the 3. Okay, so next, what is the next? Ref variable where I store that thing, the ref start 10 plus digit. Okay, already ref is 0. So 0 star or multiplication 10 and then plus the digit part, this is 3. So what is the output? This is the 3. So now the ref is 3. This is the ref and this is the digit. Okay, now what I have to do? I have to cut the num part, the last part I have to cut. So what is the, it is, so there I do num is equal to num double slash 10. Okay, so what is the output for num now? Num is equal to this 12. Okay, so again move to the while part checking. Is the num not equal to 0? Yes, num is 12. It is less than not equal to 0. So again go to the digit part. Again digit. What is the now digit? This is the 2. 2 is the now digit. Okay, I clear that thing again. Okay, now digit it's 2 because the num is now the num is 12. Okay, digit 2 and what is the ref? Ref is equal to now already previously ref is 3. So 3 into 10, 30, 30 plus 2 is equal to 32. Okay, and the num is now after doing this operation, this is 1. Okay, so again checking the 1 is not equal to 0. Yes, 1 is not equal to 0. So it is true. Next again, digit part num percentage, this will be always the d is 2, d is 1, and then the reverse part. What? Already reverse 32. So 32 into 10 plus digit. So 320 plus 1, 321. And now the n is 1 divided by 10. There is no question part. Okay. Sorry, no remainder part. That is the n is equal to 0. Okay. So now, what is the thing? Next, 0 is num is equal to 0. Yes, not it is not true. It is 0. So the loop will be break and the print will be output. This is the principle. What is the output? The div part. This is the 3 to 1. Okay. Even clear or any doubt? Tell me. Anyone? Have any doubt?
No, sir.
Clear? Everyone. Ayush, Urgam, Jivita,
Yes,
Susmita,
sir.
Shiva. Clear?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay, okay. Okay, you can write this thing in better way. Just reverse. Again, I 2, 2, 3, 4. Okay, enter. Whatever. Oh, sorry, that's the in, not in, just num. Okay. See, because of 0 is okay. I have to store that thing also here. Okay. Okay, so I'll just okay. Now is equal to not now. N is equal to now. Then now okay, everyone understood that thing? Okay, I just want to print this way. So that's it. To that thing, then create on variable in and store the value that the first value of the num. Okay, because the num will be 0 at the last time of the while loop. That's why I do that thing. Okay, this is the better output, better visualization of the coding. Okay. Okay. Now move to the next program. Sum of digit. Okay. So tell me anyone. Okay, Shravan, please try this and tell me. Shravan, are you there? Shravan. Shravan, are you there? Am I audible to all of you guys? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what about Shravan? Shravan, तुम हो कि नहीं हो? Okay, sure. Okay, आयुष तुम बताओ. आयुष.
Yes, sir.
Just tell me the process. How do you do? Don't exactly the code. Just tell me how do you can do. What is the process? I note it. Okay, just tell me. What if I do?
Sir, first input n
Okay,
equals
just at
to
first I have to
something.
take some user input. Okay, so some
Yes,
number.
sir.
Okay, I have to take.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the user input. Okay. Okay, next.
Yes, sir. Sir, firstly, sir, total equals to 0.
Okay, total is equal to 0. Okay. Okay,
Using
create
sir,
function. Okay. Okay, next.
Sir, then use a while loop.
Okay. While loop, now in the while loop. Start. Okay. What is the
Sir,
condition?
sir, if n equals to 0, sir, then
If n is equal to 0.
n if n greater than 0, sir,
Okay.
then sir, x equals to
X.
n
Okay.
percent 10.
Okay. N percent 10.
Then sir, total equals to, then the next step, total equals to total plus x.
Okay.
Then sir, next step, n equals to n modulus 10, sir.
Yes.
Then sir, print the outputs.
Modulus 10.
Print total, sir.
Yes. Okay. Yes, you are right. Okay. Now run this code. Okay. Okay. So at first I have to take the user input, the now. Same, I think same as like the previous part. Okay. I just copy that thing.
Yes.
Okay. So at first I take the num is equal to input. Okay. This is the thing. Okay. And I also create on in for the last this print part. Okay. And next we write this total part. Okay. Total. Okay. While num. Okay. you just do two things. If you write a num not equal to 0 or num greater than 0, both you can do. Okay, no issue. Okay,
Yes.
but num not equal to 0 is wrong. Okay, num not equal to 0, because when someone give you number, that not be 0, because there no
Yes, sir.
what the summation part.
Yes.
Okay, what can I do with the 0? Okay, so
Yes, sir.
you have to check the num not equal to 0 or num greater than 0. Okay, this is the condition. Okay, next what I do, I can take the also take the this, or you said x, I also write the x part. X is equal to num percentage 10. Okay, what I get, the digit part. Yes, next I total is equal to total plus
Total
x.
plus x.
Okay, and then next num is equal to num by 10.
Yes, sir.
This is, so now the sum of digit n is the total.
Mm.
Okay, let's run this code. Okay, tell me one number. Anyone, give me one number. Okay, I write.
Sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, sir.
Okay. Okay, see, 4 things, 4 and 3, 7, 7 and 2, 9, and 1, 10. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Everyone understood that code, how this work? Okay. Simply same as the previous number, the reversible number. Okay. So here that I just reverse thing. This is the main operation for the reverse part, and here the main operation for the total part. Okay. This is the thing. All are the left, all are same. No change. Okay. So you have to understood the process, how we can do. Okay, what is the our output. Okay, so this is the thing from the for loop. Okay, okay, now move to the for loop part. Okay, yeah. So we all know, for the for loop we have to don't create any kind of condition. Yeah, just to use some sequence. Okay, this is the okay. So at first I create on list at first. Some list 1 is equal to some putting some number 1, 3, 6, 8. Okay, now what I do now, you give the for loop condition for I in list 1 condition, and then print I. Okay, so what I do here, I at first create on list that there is the item 1, 3, 6, 8, and for I in the list one, main thing, the all the item in the list one, that every time it will print. Okay, so run this code 1, 3, 6, 8. Okay, this is a simple way you can print one for statement. Okay, this is the for loop. Okay, so here we use some sequence. With this using sequence we can do that thing. Okay, now the main thing here come, the one thing, this is range function. Okay, okay, if I move to the documentation part. Okay, this is the all query we have already done. They are all explained how this is doing. Okay, okay, this is summation part number. Okay, now move to the, yes, range function. Okay, everyone see the screen, range function. Okay, so what is the range function? The range function is in the Python is used to place the sequence of number. Okay, so if you want to create some sequence but don't write the number manually, it will create that range function. This is also a function where we can create some sequence. Okay, the syntax of range function is start, end, and separator. So what is that thing? Start mean if you put here 1, the sequence will start from the 1. Okay, if I put here some another value like 10, so the number will range will start from the 10. Okay, it's the start value, and this is the end value. What is the end value? If we want to print from 10 to 100. Okay, so if you put the 10 to 100, so this is the end value. But one more thing, the end value should be excluded. What is the meaning by excluded? Anyone know? Hello? Anyone know what is the meaning of excluded?
That number is not printing.
Yes. When you when you give some end value, that should not be print in the range function. Okay. So if you want to print 100, you have to put the other at extra value 101, 102. Okay, that is that. And now come to step part. If you want to print that number with some step, okay, if you give the step 2 and the range function is the 1 and the end value is the 10, so this is the output should be 1, then 2 is the missing value, then the 3, because there is the 2 step, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, so there are 2 step and the 3 will be printed. Again 3 to 4, 1 step, 4 to 5, 2 steps, so print 5. Again, so going on, this is the going. Okay, so this is the our range function. Okay, we can do that thing. Okay, so go to the notebook and okay, so if I run something, just for I in range 1, 10. Okay, I put that thing 1, 10. Enter print I. Okay, run this code. Let's see 1 to 9 up to, because 10 is the excluded value, so 10 will not be print. Okay, this is our range function, simple. Okay, now anyone can tell me. Okay, now I go to the another thing for the stepwise. Control C, Control V. If I do some step value here 2, so this is the output. See 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, because 1 to 2 is the missing, 4 is the missing. This is the thing. Okay, this is the 1 is the end value, starting value, 10 is the end value, and 2 is the step function. Okay, now anyone tell me what is the output for this thing for I in range 10. Okay, print I. Currently, what is the output? Anyone? Please tell what is the output.
0 to 9.
0 to 9.
Yes, this is the output, is the 0 to 9. What happened? Oh, sorry. This is the space. 0 to 9. Why is there 0 happen? Because there is not no 0. Because here I mention the starting value. But when I don't mention the starting value, because the 10 already taken as a end value. Okay, when I just put only one number, only one argument, okay, so that argument will be taken as the end value. Okay, and by default 0 will be the starting value. So from the 0 it will print from the up to 9, because end value is excluded. This is our range function. Okay, I think everyone clear about the range function. Any doubt? Ayush, Durgam, Chivita, Shravan, Susmita, are clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay, now go to some program we can do. Okay, so first we do some multiplication table. Okay, Okay. Simple program you can do. Okay. So let's suppose. Okay. So what I do using the for loop and using a range function, I can doing on multiplication table of any number. Okay. So at first I will take the number as a user input. So num is equal to int input, enter enter the number. Okay, so I'll take the number. Okay, now I have to print like this way. Like let's suppose 7 is the number. So 7 stars 1 is equal to 7. 7 star 2 is equal to 14. Okay, and continue up to 7 star 10 is equal to 70. Okay, so this is our main output. Okay, this way I want to print. So what can I do? Just now I just create the range function. Okay, for I in range, what is the starting value of it? Is the 1 plus 1 to 10, and the end value is the 11. What I have to print? Print 7 star I every time. Okay, so num comma, then put the star comma, then I, then comma, then star, then is equal to, then comma, then okay, one thing I can this is that thing I can now, sorry, equal to now star I. Okay, this is the output. Run this code now. Enter number, I put the 7. Okay, see, this is our whole multiplication table. Okay, this is a simple program. I am just doing this thing. Okay, if I run every time 7 star 1, 7 star 2, this is to take lots of time. So using the range function, I can get the beautiful multiplication table. Okay. Okay, you can also write something here. Print multiplication table of num. Okay. So you can put the 23. Okay. Enter. This is our whole multiplication table of the. Okay. Okay, I think you can clear this thing. Okay. Now the next program is I want to print the leap year year in the range of years. Okay, from let's say from 1900 to 2025, how many leap years are there? Okay, or 2020 to 2025, how many leap years are there? Okay, okay, leap year. Okay. Okay, this is our next program. I have to print that thing. Okay, so at first I will take the print that thing. Okay. Okay, now for I in range. Okay, let's suppose I have to print that thing. Okay, one thing I can do, I put that thing already in the user input. Okay, it will be better for. Okay, why I give this thing by manually. Okay, it will be given by the user input. Okay, starting year. Year is equal to input enter okay, this is our starting year input. We not first Y1. Okay, we can copy the thing. Okay, this is the starting year, this is the end year. Okay, this range I can find the leap year. Okay, ending year. Okay, now I do for I in a range. So Y1 comma Y2 plus 1. Okay, because we know if I put the Y2 here, it will be excluded. So if the Y2 is a leap year, so I cannot get that year leap year. So I just put Y2 plus 1, extra 1 year. Okay, then okay, print, it will print every year, but what is the condition? Now the condition part arises. Okay, if okay, can anyone tell me what is the condition of the leap year checking? Anyone? Hello, सब हो ना, क्या सब सो गए? Hello, response guys, am I audible to all of you? Or?
It should be divided by 4, sir.
Yes, say again. Say again.
And also,
Yes, yes.
Uh.
Say. Only divisible by 4. Or is there any other condition? Previous class I already told that. Yes, yes. Ayush, you say something? What is the condition for checking leap year?
Divided by 4 equals to 0, sir.
Okay, only 4.
Or
What about the 1900? It is leap year or not? It's also divisible by 4. It is leap year. Tell me, is 1900 leap year or not? Anyone? Tell me. Tell me. It is leap year or not? You can Google also. It is leap year or not? I think it is
no,
not
sir.
leap year. Why? Because the condition is if the year is century year, it should be divisible by 400. Okay. If this is divisible by 400, then it will be called leap year. Okay. So there is 2 conditions. Listen carefully. All time we know only divisible by 4, but not. The main condition is if this is not century year, how we can find that it is century? If the year is divisible, if the year is divisible by 100, then it will be century year. And okay, not divisible by 100. Okay, century year. Then you have to also check that this will be divided by 400. Okay. If the year is century year, then it will be divided by 400. Then you leap year. Okay. If the year is not century year, not is equal to not divisible by 100 and divisible by 4, then it will be leap year. What is the thing? For century year, it should be divisible by 400. Non-century year, it should be divisible by 4. Then you can call the year is leap year. Okay. Okay. I just put the condition. Just you can check. I write the condition in one statement. Don't using the lots of loop or lots of if else condition. Just write here. If the first condition I not is equal to okay, if I percentage 100 not is equal to 0, okay, and you do two condition. At first it will be non-century year and also divisible by 4. Okay, so at first I check it is not century year because not divisible by 100 and I percentage 4 is equal to 0. Okay, this is the first condition. Okay, and then I put the odd part or I put another
The first non-equal to,
sorry.
the first non-equal to 0 is there, right? The equal is only 1, I think so. It's not.
Only equal, I can understand. Please say again.
100 is not you put it in equal in 2 times. So
Okay.
I think it's only 1 time.
Yes. Oh, not equal to 0. It is equal to yes. Okay. Thank you for giving this. Okay, notice this thing. Okay. Now I put again the I percentage 400 is equal to 0. Okay. This is our another condition. Okay. So I put E and an or in the one statement. Okay. Okay. What happens if this statement is true? I percentage not equal to 100 not equal to 0 and also divisible by 4, it will appear, or I percentage 4 is 0, it will appear. Okay, then print I. Okay, let's run this thing. Okay, I put the year from 1900, ending year is 2025. Okay, see how many BPS are there. Oh, there's lots of year. Okay, one thing I can do, just put something on the end is equal to this way. Okay, again I do 1900 to 2025. Okay, see 1904, 1908 because 1900 is not leap year, so 4, 8, 12, 16 something. Okay, yeah, 2000, 2004, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Okay, is the all the leap year. Okay, what I do here, this using this in function I can print this way. Okay, if I don't use this, it will print this way. Okay, instead of print the row wise, it will print the column wise. Okay, this is the thing. Very clear what I do or any doubt? Okay, please respond, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, already there's a 9. Okay, let's do the last question. Okay, one more thing. If you want to do this condition in the two way, if else part, you can do. Okay, no issue. But it will be better because if you write the less statement or less code in the this will be better. Okay, because why I write so much line? If I print this state using this statement, same output, why I don't use it? Okay, so it will be better. Okay. Okay, now next thing is the factorial of a number. Okay, Please, anyone explain what is the factorial of a number? Anyone? What is the factorial? Anyone? Please say. What is the factorial of a number? Or what is the factorial? Hello. क्या मैं इतना बोरिंग पढ़ा हूँ?
Yes, sir.
Please respond, guys. अगर कुछ दिक्कत हो तो तुम बता सकते हो. Any language issue, anything?
सर क्या फैक्टोरियल का कोड पूछ रहे हैं क्या सर?
हाँ हाँ. What is factorial क्या है? मतलब पता है तुमको?
Yes, sir.
यस सर.
बताओ क्या है factorial? बताओ बताओ. अरे बताओ क्या हुआ? मतलब सपोज छोड़ो, मैं तुमको 5 बोल रहा हूँ. 5 का फैक्टोरियल क्या होगा? कैसे होगा?
हाँ.
कैसे? Yes,
Beginning
rules.
from 1 to that number, multiplication of that digit.
Up to 5. Yes,
Up to
just
5.
like
Yes.
this way. Okay. I think I know you all know, but say when I ask. Okay. This is the symbol of the factorial. You all know in the method you use. This is the from beginning of the 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, then 4, then 5. Okay. This is our factorial thing. Okay. So we have to print that thing in the factorial way. Okay. So now do this code. Okay. So I have to at first take the number because it will be user defined number we can take. So num is equal to int input that's your number. Yeah. Okay, I take the number. Now what I do? Okay, let's suppose okay. Okay, that's why I take the number 5. Okay, I have to factor this number. So how can I do? We are using the range function. So in the range function, every time it will print 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, up to this it will print. Okay, so what can I do? If I take one variable fact, okay, where I store the all the multiplication values. So if I fact variable, we have to put some initial value. So what is the value here? If I put the value 0, the whole multiplication part will be 0 because it will be just multiplication. Here I stored the value of the multiplication part, not the summation part. If there is summation, then I put the 0. Okay, but when it comes to multiplication part, I have to store there. So I have to create that thing. Instead the value is the 1. Okay, so I have to take the values 1 because I have to multiply the other term when that is come. Okay, so that is I have to create the variable that is the fact. So everyone be clear, when you have to store some value in the summation way, then you can choose the variable and instead the value is a 0. Okay, but when you have to create some variable and there you have to doing the operation multiplication and store the value, then you have to create the variable and store the initial value is the 1. Okay, every time it will be remembered. Okay, now I create the variable. What is the fact? Where I store the value? Well, fact is equal to 1. Okay, now I put the range function. Okay, for I in range. Okay, from fact.
Sir, for I in the range.
Yes, I in range. Okay, for fact, why I use the fact? Because fact is the no, not fact. Okay, yes, fact comma and the num plus 1, because num is the, if I give the num is 5, so num will be omitted. So what I do, num is 5, 5 plus 1 6. Okay, fact is a 1, so 1 into 2 into 3 into this way it is going on. Okay, and next print, not print, not print, I just put the
Fact into while.
fact, sorry, the fact is equal to fact star 5. Okay, every time the I will come and every time the multiplication going on. Okay, not, I don't print the every time. Okay, the I part. Now get out from the loop part and print. Okay, now run this code. Okay, enter number, I put the 5, 120 is the factor of 5. Okay, okay, please understood this thing. What I do here, I just take the fact is the starting value, this will be the 1, and what is the end value, this is the given out number. I choose 5, so the num 1 is the end value is the 6. Okay, now what I do in the for loop, fact is equal to fact star. At first the value of the fact is 1, so at first the fact will be 1 star fact is 1, again another 1, so 1 into 1, next again, now the value is the 1 again, next what is the 1 star, next is 2, it will be 2, it will be 2, then 2 into 3, then again 3 into 4, the last 4 into 5, because when is this 6 will be omitted, so up to this is 120. Okay, this is our factorial function or factorial program. So I can write this thing a better way. The factorial of now is okay. This is our, okay, if I do the 6 also, that 6 is 720. Okay, this is our factorial program. You understood this thing? Any doubt? Hello, Ayush, Durgam, Jivita, Shravan, Susmita,
No, sir.
all clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, why Shravan is muted from the, I asking her some question, asking him some question. Hello Shravan, are you there? श्रवण तुम हो क्लास में? श्रवण टेस्ट हो गया. Okay, okay, so in the class, the today's session. Okay, okay, any doubt from previous classes? Okay, one more thing, I have also give 3 questions. Jivita, Susmita, Jugam, have you done that?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, okay, share your screen. I have stopped sharing. Wait,
Okay.
wait a minute, I just give you permission. Okay, okay, at first anyone share? Give us a share at first.
Yes, sir. I'm sure.
Okay, Susmita shares. Okay, Ayush, please see the answer. I have sent some question in the previous session based on, okay.
Okay.
And when the free time, you just go through the video already uploaded in the YouTube. Okay, and study that thing.
Yes.
Any doubt, you can ask in the next class. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Is it visible?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, sir. This is for largest of 3 numbers.
Okay.
If I run this code. And this is for 2 numbers. And yeah, this is checking vowels or consonant. Here I'm creating a list for vowels and I'm checking if the character is in that list or not. So like this.
Okay.
Hello,
If I
sir.
if I put capital H, what happens then? Or if I put capital A, just put caps A.
Oh, for the,
Yes.
okay, for
You
that
have
we
to
have
add
to
that
do
thing.
that.
Okay. You have to add for
Yeah,
all
yes, sir.
caps and small letter. Okay.
Yeah, yes, sir, sure.
Okay. Okay.
I
Okay.
forgot that thing
Okay. Okay. No issue.
actually.
No issue.
I'm sorry.
Okay. Okay. You can stop sharing.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Okay. Next, who will share? Jivita or Ramaya?
Sir, in the last class, the network
Have
is
you seen
working.
the chat box? See the WhatsApp group? I have sent the 3 questions.
Sorry, sir.
Have you do it? Have you
No.
do all the questions
No,
or
sir.
not? Hello?
No, sir, I didn't do, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. No issue. Please try in the next class. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I will resend again. I resend the question again. Okay. And Jivita,
Okay, okay.
what about you?
Yes, sir, I have done, but from morning my Jupyter notebook is not working, so I'm trying on it to.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Okay, no issue. Please do it in the next class. Okay. And see in next class. And also I should give some question in the chat WhatsApp regarding to this session. Okay. And in the next class, we are learning something based on some loop concept. Okay. And also the break, pass, and continue statement. Also doing the pattern problem. Okay. The star pattern problem, number pattern problem. Okay. This is our next class topic. Okay. And one more thing, please everyone join in the morning project meetup. Okay. Are you joining everyone? Join in the morning project meetup.
Yes, sir.
Okay, from 8 p.m. the project meetup is going. Don't hesitate to join what I have to show something. Don't just what you have done in the classes. I have doing the program. Just show that thing. Do in own collab or notebook. Just run that code. Execute yourself and show that thing in the no issue. Okay. Okay. You don't
Sir,
do
I
the
have done.
yes, Susmita. Say
Sir, I have done that one.
yes. Okay, so you have to don't do the big project. This name also called project meetup, but if you do the small step, then you go to the big step, na? So don't hesitate to join the in the project meetup. Just join the room and see also the other people what they doing. Okay, it will be a better experience for you also. Okay, so you can try that type of question, or you can search, or you can learn that thing. Okay, you can ask me also what is this, what is that. Okay, I can try to explain that thing. Okay, so everyone study all the thing and also join the morning meetup call. Okay, and I think your next class will be in that Wednesday. Okay, and I will inform that thing in the group. Okay. Okay, so I am ending this meeting. Okay. Any doubt, any question?
No, sir.